Hi, I want to share with you this project I've been working on. It's centered around my great-grandfather's journals that he kept during the 1930s and 40s. So my main goal was to make this data more accessible to family members, but also people who are interested in history. And this project is special to me, but it also, at the same time, taught me a lot about front-end development. So for the front-end technologies, I'm using things like Next.js and Tailwind CSS. And then for the back end, I'm using Google Cloud Bucket for unstructured data like images. And then I'm also using Prisma and Supabase for the more structured data. And then this is the first time I used authentication. I'm using Google Sign-In for that so that I can save data and link it to specific users, like if a user wants to save a journal entry for looking at it later. Now the first thing I want to show you is this reusable component that I made to show off the journal entries, and this appears throughout the website. It enables you to save entries or mark them as read to track your progress, and I tried to keep it within the theme of the 1930s. Next, let me show you the browse page, which is supposed to let you view the journal entries kind of like you would in real life. So you can flip through one at a time, or you can skip through big sections at a time using the slider. Next is the search page, which allows you to search through the journal entries kind of like a Google search engine. This was a challenge that I came across, was how to implement this search function. And I tried a few different things, but I ended up using OpenAI's API to do the search because it retained more semantic meaning and it wasn't just a simple keyword search. Now let me show you the next part of the website, the chat page, which is my favorite part of the website because it allows you to chat with Harry Howard kind of like he was still here today. And this is done through the magic of OpenAI's API, similar to ChatGPT. I'm using a Google Cloud Run instance to run a Python script, and it was actually easier to set up than I thought. You just send an HTTP request and it sends back a response. I really like this page because it enables you to interact with big data just using natural language, so it's really easy, I feel like. And next is the community page that enables you to share journal entries with other members of the community. One interesting thing about this page is that it uses all of the CRUD operations, so it uses create to create a new post or create a comment. It uses read to read all the posts and display them on the web page. Then update is used if you want to change a comment, and delete, of course you can delete a comment. So I don't know if I get an achievement for that, but and lastly is the saved page that shows all those journal entries that you might have saved. Of course this page also uses authentication to show the journal entries that have been saved by that particular user who is logged in. So in conclusion, I hope you like the website. I definitely came across many challenges while making it, such as how to display the information in the most intuitive and informative way, how to do the search function, all kinds of things. So I definitely learned a lot as well, used a lot of new technologies, tried to do whatever it took to get the job done. So I hope you like it, I hope you check it out, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you.